Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already. This are the Skilla, you see it? Now, I want to point out something right now about doing pranks and how you are to be careful of the kind of pranks that you do. You see me I said to you? Now, here me have a video to show you of a prank gone wrong, right? Have you ever seen a video online or on social media of a person dressed up in Arabic clothing, or should I say Taliban, you know what I mean, where the clothes cover the face and so forth, white clothes go down, and then the person would have a bag, more likely the color would be black or so forth, and the bag, them take the bag and them go into public places and throw it at people's feet or in their cars or whatsoever, and people would run because them think it is a bomb. Well, these people do this thing as a form of prank, and sometimes this prank can get out of hand or it can go wrong. Right now, here I'm going to show you the video of the prank gone wrong. But before me show you this video, I have to make sure that I warn you that the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, observe.
Run.
I prank that. Yo, you prank that. Dog, hey DJ coming, dog, I prank. Yo, dog, I prank, dog. Dog, I prank, dog.
See, viewers and subscribers, that's what I mean when I say be careful of how you do your pranks, because you're doing the prank, and at the time the person you're doing the prank to might not realize it's a prank, or they most likely won't realize it's a prank, because guess what, it's a prank. And when you do these things, sometimes it might not turn out the way you expect it to be. You get what I'm saying to you? And this is a very example of what I'm talking about. That man swore it was something very serious. You get what I'm saying to you? And someone could have got hurt. So we have to give thanks that everything right there was safe, isn't it? However, this video on social media now, a lot of people talk about this video and say, yo, this video is staged. They are saying that the person that chased the other man and caught him or whatsoever and make it seem as if he was going to hurt the man, they say that it is staged and it's all fixed, you know, in order to let the whole video that they're doing look good. That's what's being said on social media. But this is why I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, 2 points why I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers. One is to show you to be careful of the kind of pranks that you're going to play on others, because it can or it might turn out the wrong way, or a way that you would never expect that someone can get hurt. And the next one is more like a question asking, like, was or is this a staged video to let the prank look this way as if it gone wrong, in order to let the video be awesome? You get what I'm saying to you? So those are the two things that are on social media talking about this particular scene in a clip that had been done. So I say, well, don't know the thing go already. I, Dancehall Skilla, only bring to you what happened on social media, and believe you me, this little piece of scene is everywhere on social media, and people is talking about it like they are saying, wow, look at this prank, this man could have been hurt, that person could have been hurt, yada yada yada. Some people are saying that it is staged, it is fake, and it's not real. So me leave it up to you, my viewers and subscribers, to look at it and tell me what you think about it. Alright? But anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.